Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. And today I'm going to unbox my newest hydroponic garden. Now if you know, I have an Aerogarden that I absolutely love. And I probably would have bought another one of it, but they're kind of expensive. And I found this one on sale for less than $40. It's called an Ahopegarden. And it's 12 pods instead of 6. So we're going to unbox that today and see how it compares to my Aerogarden. Well, it says it's a 12 pod intelligent smart garden. So we'll open it up and see what's inside. And the first thing I see is instruction booklets. Okay, take those, put those to the side. It's nicely packed. And we'll see about getting this out. It's nice and tight. The outside of the box says this is model Z239. It's 16 by 8.4 by 7.5 inches, and it weighs approximately 4.4 pounds. It includes 12 baskets, 12 sponges, and accessories and toolkits. So, the first thing it said was to remove the packing. And then, let's see what we got here. Lights in there good. There we go. There's the light. And take everything out of the basin. Now this basin does not go like the other one. You can't pick it up and take it out. But it does have a spot out here that you pull the plug and the water drains out. So that's good. Okay, what does it come with? It comes with the top. Over here you have an area for putting in water. Ooh, it comes with little labels, the grow baskets, sponges, and more grow baskets. The lids to put over the spots that you're not going to be using. The power cord. Sounds like seeds. The feeding grains. It's not seeds. You mix water with this, and this is what you could feed your garden with. So this is what it all comes with. So, according to the instructions, we have to, again, soak the sponges just like we did with the Aerogarden. We'll have to soak those in water for a little bit. Plant the seeds. And it comes with the little labels if you want to label them. So, oops. Let's get started. Okay, I had a little bit of trouble finding a spot for this because you had to plug it in. But we're going to try it here for the time being. There's a few things I'm not too crazy about. It's got a little drainage plug in the back, and that is hard to get out. It's rather low, and if it decides to crack, the water will go everywhere. So I'm not too pleased with that part. It holds a lot of water, like 18 8-ounce cups of water. But you can see on the outside here where you can gauge the water level so you know what it is. So that's, at least that tells you that way. With the Aerogarden, it actually tells you when to add the water and when to add the food. This one just doesn't do that. You can set it, there's little buttons on the top. You can turn the light on or off. You can also set it for either vegetables or flowers. So nothing in between. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do herbs. And same thing with the Aerogarden. You soak your sponges for a little bit and then pop them in. Put your seeds in, couple seeds per container. And then you put the dome, you put the label on them. The label isn't really a label. It's just a covering that helps keep the sponge from getting mold or fungus on it. Put 1 or 2 seeds. It gives you a little tweezers to work with. Put 1 or 2 seeds in each one. They do have little labels that you can put on. They only gave you 6 of them, but this is what they look like. And they've got this little sticker that you can put on there, put what it is and the date. And you can stick them in, there's a hose here. You can stick them in the hose there to label what you have. But like I said, they only gave you 6 labels and there's 12 hose there. So we're going to plant this, like I said, with the herbs, and we'll see how it goes. I'm planting at the same time. I'm planting the Aerogarden. That way, when that one over there tells me it needs to be fed in 2 weeks, I'll know to feed this one also. So we'll see how this does. Like I said, it's a lot cheaper than the Aerogarden. Has a little bit of drawbacks, but it's manageable. So I hope you, oh boy. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Dream big, follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless everybody. Bye.